Hi, I'm Alexander. At OnDeck, we're solving an $80 billion problem. Every year, billions are lost due to illegal and mismanaged fisheries. But our fisheries are critical. 3 billion people rely on fish as a key source of protein. The depletion of our marine resources is one of the biggest challenges for our generation. To be able to sustainably manage our fisheries, we need to be able to see what's happening on a boat out at sea while it's fishing. But the problem is, the way it's done today is a camera's installed somewhere on the boat, it films for the entire fishing trip, comes back to shore with thousands of hours of video, and then back on shore, some poor soul sits down at a computer to manually count all the fish, going 1 fish, 2 fish, red fish, blue fish. This is unbelievably slow, expensive, and it can't be scaled.
We're solving this by automating video review using artificial intelligence. We automatically detect and track humans and fish day or night using the cameras already in place for video review. This means we can deliver it in real time at a fraction of the cost and at a scale that the world has never seen.
We're able to do this by bringing the best talent in the world into this space. Sapan has built technology like this for the European Space Agency, Amazon, and through his AI research at Cambridge. We're also backed by the most influential thought leaders in the fisheries space as advisors. We've built a team of ambitious people dedicated to solving what we think is truly the most important challenge of our generation. Our market is exploding. Over the next 5 years, it's forecasted to grow by a factor of 12. This is driven by both consumer pressure and regulations. Governments are mandating it, and organizations like the Marine Stewardship Council has mandated that 25% of all fishing activity has to be monitored in order to be deemed sustainable. Walmart has committed to, by 2027, 100% of all tuna sold in its stores will have been monitored when it was caught. This growth means that global fleets will be producing 8 years of video footage to be reviewed every single day. These commitments these companies are making are impossible to meet without our technology. We're bringing an entirely new approach to this industry. We are dedicated to commercialization. We're product-focused, software-as-a-service startup. In the last year, we've secured our first paying customers. We're rolling out our first products with collaborators all around the world. We're officially backed by commercial fisheries, indigenous fisheries, some of the biggest seafood NGOs in the world, monitoring companies, and technology partners. Beyond industry, governments are throwing their weight behind OnDeck as well. Canada's Ocean Supercluster just committed $1.5 million to OnDeck's upcoming project. With this government funding we've secured, any funding from Pitchfest is doubled. So a $50,000 award becomes a $100,000 impact for OnDeck. With this $100,000, we already have commitments in place with collaborators to commercialize our tools across Canada, the US, and Oceania. In an era when climate change is pushing our fisheries to the brink of collapse, we need faster reporting. We're here to bridge that gap.